superbly excited to share how the strategy development process to scale a company is written down. Step by step, I'm going to explain everything that is required for you to understand how that scale needs to be looked at. I keep talking about that business is all about creating, cash, processing that cash, and collecting that cash. And all of this ecosystem needs to be binded together with those values and vision and mission that you're intending to arrive and drive in your business and your life. So fundamentally, the part of the strategy document, which if you remember, I keep talking about the vision pyramid. It's just right inside of you. And if you see, it starts with values, it comes to mission, it comes to vision, it comes to the strategy, the goals, and the rest of the things till the end of profits. Now, between your vision, mission, values, there is an interconnect of your doing work versus the emotion that you have. So your daily execution versus the emotions of how you want to drive. And that interconnect is called strategy. Now, when we say strategy, what do you mean by that? We say the easiest form is called winning. Okay, how do I win? Now, fundamentally, if you say there is a winning strategy, the statement itself is wrong. When you say strategy, it means you are creating something or doing something to win. The word strategy is a very old word, but comes from politics and war. Now that's the story behind the word, where the kings and the royals wrote down and created strategies to win at the battlefield. Where at world wars, or any wars for that matter, the sides create a strategy to win. So fundamentally, strategy is a very important interconnect between the vision of the organization and the execution that the organization intends to do. Let's jump on this fantastic, exciting journey where data talks, where there is a lot of process, where there is a lot of nitty-gritties in every aspect of business. And if it is being categorized step by step, and we go step by step in this process, trust you me, 100, 200, 500 crores is just a cakewalk if you follow the process. Okay, and why do I say that, by the way? It's been last 11 years running the consulting company. I have learned over a period of time, whether it has manufacturing industry, project industry, FMCG, F&B, the dairy plants, or whatever industries you talk about. I think roughly we've consulted around 22 different type of industries, and all of them in a range of 15 crores, 20 crores, 50 crores, 100 crores. And almost everybody has reached the number, the revenue goal that they had spoken about. Now, why does it happen, and why there is a common parameter where everybody is able to reach those numbers? There's a specific methodology, and I'm going to decode that entire methodology. Well, I also would want to urge and invite, if you are a consultant, okay, and if you follow this process, you will be termed as a strategy consultant, all right? If you are an owner of a business and you want to become your own consultant, this process will help you to identify. Well, in the process, if you want to know how the team is being created, how to choose a consultant, all of this is answered in this fantastic journey that I have crafted for you. Now, during this journey, I will take you through 13 steps, and every step has a detailed analysis of why it has to be done, what needs to be done, and how it needs to be done. So once that is there, and in the process you realize, oh, you know what, I can do this, but I need help in this, please do not shy away. You can take our services, but if you feel that we are worth it, go ahead and call us in the process. But it doesn't matter whether you want to take services from us or no, but this is a process. If you follow, magic is going to happen for you. So let's start the journey, and I'm going to see you in module 1 immediately after this.